Hello, fellow travelers. Today we're heading to the heart of Norway, Møre and Romsdal, home to the breathtaking Geirangerfjord. This isn't just any fjord, it's a deep blue ribbon winding through towering steep mountains, a scene so dramatic it feels otherworldly. Please check out my Good Vibes song on Spotify. Thanks for listening. As you approach, rolling hills give way to jagged peaks, and suddenly, you're on the edge of something truly special. The Geirangerfjord stretches about 15 kilometers, a narrow channel of tranquility and power. The village of Geiranger, nestled at the fjord's end, is your base for adventure. Here, the mountains rise straight from the water, shaped by glaciers over millions of years. Every cliff and waterfall tells a story of nature's power and Norway's deep connection to the land and sea. For centuries, people have lived and worked here, their stories woven into the landscape. Stand on the shore, look up at the peaks, and you'll feel the timeless grandeur of this place. Geirangerfjord is the essence of Norway. Wild, beautiful, unforgettable. Prepare to be amazed. What makes Geirangerfjord so special? Start with the sheer cliffs. Rock walls plunging over 1,000 meters into the water, creating a natural cathedral. Waterfalls cascade everywhere, the most famous being the Seven Sisters and the Suder, each with its own legend. In spring and early summer, snowmelt turns these falls into a thunderous spectacle. High above, abandoned farms like Skagefjord cling to the cliffs, reminders of human resilience in a harsh landscape. These farms, once accessible only by steep paths or ladders, add a powerful human story to the fjord's beauty. This blend of dramatic nature and rich history led UNESCO to declare Geirangerfjord a World Heritage Site in 2005. It's a place protected for its universal value, ensuring its beauty endures. Geirangerfjord isn't just a scenic wonder, it's a global treasure, and every visitor feels its magic. Geirangerfjord is the crown jewel of Norway's Golden Route, a scenic drive packed with jaw-dropping views. The journey itself is unforgettable, with roads like Trollstigen winding through dramatic landscapes. But to truly experience the fjord, get on the water. A cruise or ferry brings you face-to-face with cliffs and waterfalls. For a closer connection, try kayaking. Explore hidden coves in the fjord's tranquil waters at your own pace. Hiking is a must-climb to Skagefjord Farm for panoramic views. Or visit Flydalsjuvet for that iconic fjord photo. For the best vistas, drive the Eagle Road to its viewing platform, or ascend to the Dalsnibba Skywalk, 1,500 meters above sea level. Each viewpoint offers a new perspective on the fjord's grandeur. Whether by boat, kayak, or hiking trail, Geirangerfjord is an adventure you'll never forget. Every moment here is a postcard come to life. Bring your camera, and your sense of wonder. This is Norway at its most spectacular. After the day trippers leave, enjoy peaceful evenings by the water. Slow down, find a quiet spot, listen to the waterfalls and let the scenery sink in. Geirangerfjord isn't just a destination, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Happy travels.